Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween t-shirts available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Hey Halloween t-shirts. It is made from cotton blend, good quality men's casual tops. Casual t-shirt is breathable fabric. And the long sleeve pullover shirt graphic funny tees tops blouse is great for all autumn winter days. At number 3 we have Low Crease Halloween t-shirts. It is made of cotton and polyester, soft and comfortable. This pumpkin baseball shirt suit for spring fall winter. At number 2 we have Lotusy Halloween t-shirts. This scary movies t-shirt is very suitable as a gift for a friend or family member who enjoys watching horror movies. The funny Halloween graphic t-shirt with FRIENDS print and creepy movies character graphic on the t-shirt. At number 1 we have Ig Halloween t-shirts. This is a women's fall pumpkin t-shirt's funny short sleeve. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween t-shirts for your need.